Cheap, fast, good. You can have any two, but never all three. Now, said that way, it sounds a little bit slick shoe salesperson. But I'm here to say this to you, my friends. Every salesperson, every founder, every recruiter needs to understand that concept in their mind when they're going through a discovery process with a prospect or a candidate. Why? Because it helps to highlight the priorities of that person. If they want something done quickly and done on a low budget, they're not going to get a quality product. That might sound like a horrible outcome. You might not want to associate your name with that, but that's you projecting your values on a situation that in the discovery phase, you might not yet understand. For all you know, what you're creating for them, what you're doing with them is something they're going to use for a short period of time, and fast is and inexpensive is what their driver is. In another prospect, they might not have a big budget, but they might have a requirement for an outstanding high quality outcome. And you may be able to achieve that as long as they're not too picky on the timeline. So what does this mean to you? Understand the importance of discovery and ask the questions necessary to uncover not only what your prospect or candidate's pain is, so you can be sure to target your response to what their need is, but also what their budget is, what their timeline is, and what the desired outcome is. If you focus on those things in your discovery period, founders, you're going to have a much better experience and do a much better job selling your incredible prospect or service to that client that you've been working with.